discount tire today. Getting the new Milestars put on. We're going to have to do the lift and everything later. The tires came in first. Pretty exciting. There they are. Can't wait to see how they ride. 315/70 R17. Coming off. So exciting. Can't wait to see how they fit with no lift. That'll be interesting. I've heard they rub without a lift if you're off-roading, but they supposedly fit without rubbing if you're just driving around. So we'll see. All stripped down. Getting close. And they're on. Just got back from discount. The tires drive incredibly well. They're completely indistinguishable from the BF Goodrich all-terrains. Could not believe how quiet they are. When you see how big the tread voids are, you'd expect there to be a noticeable hum at highway speed, but no. They are just as quiet as the BF Goodriches that we just took off. And surprisingly, you know, everybody says that it can run from 35 with no lift. As long as you don't stretch it out, wheeling it, it does not rub at all. Zero. Turning lock to lock, no wheel spacers. These are just the stock Rubicon wheels, the black with the polished lip, and they fit perfect. 315/70 R17 Milestar Patagonias. The tires balanced out perfect. They ride incredible, and they actually feel softer, or the same, at least, softness as the BF Goodriches did also. They're not any stiffer. Very incredible. The ride is great. Looking forward to getting some wheel time on them, seeing how they wear long term, but first impressions, very impressive. And the 315/70/17 spare fits perfect. So a 35-inch spare, didn't even need to adjust the third brake light. Fits snug up against the back, no need for any modifications. The bumper clears as well, so that's perfect. Thank you guys, hope you have a good day. We'll be doing some more videos and updates when we get the lift on and the bumpers installed and so forth and so on. Hope y'all have a good weekend. See ya.